Y graph in calculation of mole. This is Y graph, mole, volume of gas at NTP, numbers, it could be of atoms, of molecules, of ions, or of protons or electrons. Mass of substance. Let us understand. If you want to calculate volume of gas from given mole, for this you have to multiply given mole by 22.4 liter. If you want to calculate moles from given volume of gas at NTP, for this you have to divide volume by 22.4 liter. In case of number, if you want to calculate mole from given number of particles, for this you have to divide given number of particles by Avogadro's number, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 to power 23. If you want to calculate number of particles from given mole, for this you have to multiply mole by Avogadro number. If you want to calculate mass from mole, for this you have to multiply molar weight or atomic weight by mole. If you want to calculate mole from molar weight, from mass, for this you have to divide given mass by molar weight or atomic weight. Let us understand this clearly by taking some examples. A problem is given here. Calculate the number of moles present in 60 gram of carbon 12. So in this question, mass of substance is given. For this we will write formula: mole is equal to mass divided by molar weight. Mass is given 60 gram. Molar weight of carbon 12 is 12 gram. So number of moles will be 5 mole. Let us see another problem. Calculate the number of molecules in 5 moles of carbon dioxide. Here moles is given and number is to be found. For this we write formula. Numbers of molecules is equal to moles into Avogadro's number. What is mole? 5. Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 to power 23. Let us multiply this. 10 to power 23 So the number of molecules in 5 moles of carbon dioxide are 3.011 into 10 to power 24. Another problem. Calculate the mass of oxygen gas in its 89.6 liter of volume at STP. Here we have to calculate mass from given volume. For this we need to calculate number of moles first, then we will calculate mass. So mole from volume, mole equal given volume divided by 22.4 liter. Given volume is 89.6 liter divided by 22.4 liter will be 4 mole. Now mass from mole. So for mass we will write formula mass equal to mole into Avogadro into molar weight. Moles are 4. Molar weight of O2 is 32. One 28 gram. So mass of 4 mole of oxygen gas is 128 gram. Thank you everyone for watching this video.